Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Dito tayo sa Katara to witness the traditional Dhow Festival. Ito marami silang mga display about Dhow. Dhow is a traditional boat nila. Welcome to Katara. Guys, just want to come here and see if there's some activities. Actually guys, mayroon pala activity dito. Yung tawag nilang Katara Tent Traditional Dhow Festival. Ito medyo mainit pa at marami ng tao. Tingnan natin kung anong mayroon. And you'll see. This is what we call Dhow. Itong bangka nila. Ay, napakaganda no, paggawa. It's a miniature type. Pero magkano kaya ang isa niya no? Binibenta. Ah, ganda oh. Ito kung bumili na lang ito, display eh. Very nice. My friend, you're selling this?
Yeah.
Huh? This one small, how much?
500.
500?
Kamsila?
Kamsamiya?
Kamsila.
Mapi discount?
Mapi jad, mapi discount. Ay, 1.5 sila.
No
No
discount ha?
Asyarial.
Asyarial bus?
Well, like this. Yeah,
Asyarial? Siya the chai bus?
100.
100. So 400.
Come, Sivan, come.
Huh?
Come.
Ah, very nice huh?
Oh.
Yeah, move.
La.
Nice. Very nice. Napakaganda.
Ay, luas malo din. Sa.
You're the one who doing it? And Tapisawi? Ay, wow, number 1. This one. This one. He is the one? Wow, very good. Number 1. Good.
Hey.
Ay, Kabir. Anta sabi? Allah. Good.
Masih nak kabir. Masih tak nak kabir.
Ada, anta sabi, bas? Kita?
لا.
La? Only small bas.
لا كبير
كبير؟
في قد هاي يعني واحد ليمون.
He's saying he was the one doing the small one and the piece one and the big one. Wala, number 1. Good. Okay, thank you. So, yung mama na yon is an 80 years old man and he have been a lot of places. He's telling Karachi, Pakistan, Iraq, Basra, like Basra is in Iraq. Look at this. Napakaganda paggawa. Maybe this cost around 2,000 riyal. 2,000 riyal. Lahat ng display dito about daw. Yan, daw. Napakaganda.
هذا ثمن.
Ito yung pearl shell. Kam hada? Hada? Sagir? 500? 500 riyal. 500 riyal. Itong boat na to. Gusto ko ito display sa bahay. Napakaganda. Kam pulos ada? Kam pulos?
50
500.
ايوه
Mapi discount?
450 شكون هذا
450. 450 is worth 450. Thank you.
400 الثاني
Mayroon din silang tuyo rito. Ito, dried fish. Oh. Mayroon din silang yan tuyo. Kala mo Pilipino lang may tuyo. Yan, may tuyo din pala sila. Yan. Tuyo. Yung mga traditional dance nila nandun, no? Alright guys, ito pinakita lang natin lahat sa inyo yung mga activity dito sa mga traditional naman. Maganda na nandito din. Ngayon ay nakaharap tayo. Actually it's a beautiful sunny day. It's around 3:30 ng hapon pa. And so far marami rin namamasyal. And yeah, it's nice to be here. Actually mga traditional dough lang siya. Kumbaga yung mga parts ng dough, parts ng boat, yun ang festival nila rito. So, if you want to visit, come and visit here. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yung kanilang festival about dough.
التزام بالإجراءات الاحترازية وخاصة التباعد الاجتماعي وشكرا.
Alright guys, so far dumarami na yung tao. Marami na yung pupunta rito. And so far tapos na, naikot natin lahat. And marami tayong nakita. Mostly para sa boat lang nila talaga itong show na to. Traditional Dao Festival. So featuring all the kinds of Dao, about fishing. So yun lang po yung traditional dito, yung mga display. At so far okay naman ang meron dito. At least nakita natin yung culture nila. Alright guys, so far yun lang. At I hope you enjoyed my video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga vlog. God bless everyone!